I'm going to make an Aztec hot chocolate, which is a combination of chili and chocolate. It's a classic flavor and it works. The chili, in fact, doesn't give you a spicy flavor, but gives you a really nice warmth, and that's what you want on a cold winter's night. So we're going to remove this dark chocolate that has the hint of chili out of the packet. And I always find it much easier to chop the chocolate with a serrated knife. We're just going to cut it into chunks, turn it around and chop again. And we'll scoop up all of the chocolate and place it into a jug. And chili, dark chocolate, it also goes with cinnamon, so a pinch of cinnamon. And now I'm going to add the hot milk that I've been boiling over here directly over the chocolate. This is cow's milk, but it works really nicely with almond milk also. So over the top. And then if you have a stick blender just like I do, blend it together. This is going to give us a lovely frothy finish and incorporate that chocolate into the milk. There you have it. Instant hot chocolate. Smells great. If you want this sweeter, just add a little honey or some sugar. I like it just as is. I'm going to pour that into a big mug, thick hot chocolate all the way to the top. And look at that froth, that makes it even better. And then if you have a few marshmallows in the pantry, get them out because this is the perfect occasion to use them. Sprinkle of marshmallows over the top. That is a really delicious hot chocolate. Chili and chocolate, they are best mates, particularly when it's served like this. Oh, well, that's very delicious.